look and smell delicious. I'm making another cucumber lunch today, and this one's gonna be like a grinder salad inspired cucumber. Wash your cucumber. Wash your fingers. For this recipe, I've got my cucumbers. I'm gonna add in some Kewpie mayo, some white balsamic reduction, just a little, red wine vinegar, oregano, salt, a little olive oil, a little Parmesan, and some pickled onions. All right, let's get that all mixed up. They look good. All right, let's give these a little taste test. They look and smell delicious. That is so good. Try this recipe. Cheers. Thanks for watching.